Hey, what's up everyone, Awesome Resource here, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing Airplane Story. And as you know by the title, we are going to try our best to not die. But here we go. So G7, I gotta go G7, A, C, D, E, F, G, G7, G7, is this G7? This is G7, but this isn't. Let me just put a round of applause for finding our seat. Yeah. I'm gonna do this. Maybe this one. Yeah. We're gonna do all our emotes. Alright, these are the bathrooms. So one of these could take us to the thing. Now remember, we're gonna be on G7. So we'll be closest to the bathrooms. Speaking of, well, I'm sitting in my seat. Oh yeah, people are gonna get fallen off. Yeah. Yeah. We're doing fine. I mean, we still got time to spare. I got a sandwich. I'm actually gonna eat this. That was actually, that was a PB&J. Wow, this girl's so rude. I don't get this. Wait. I'm not feeling well. You're not feeling well? Oh no. We gotta get a medical kit. I'm allergic to mail. Look up. What's this at? Is this your name? Be yourself. Oh, that's Bandit. No. Look, all of them. Oh, found it. Thank you. These guys are pros, but let's sit down to our seat. Can I sit in my seat or something? Thank you. Gosh, that's good. I'm tired. Might as well take a nap on the plane. Oh, what was that? What was that? What was that? You will not survive. What? Ah! Oh god, oh god. Which one? Which one is it? This one. This one. Maybe this one. Check the restrooms. I'm gonna be careful. Snakes. There's snakes right by me. There's literally a snake that was right by me. Oh man. Oh gosh, left or right. It's either the next one, the other one is left or right. Oh man, people are getting... Okay, this one. No, the next one. Okay, we found one. I'm gonna turn my camera to the other side. Dude, he's standing on the toilet. Why are you standing on the toilet? Oh, Maya died. That person that was rude died. Oh, man. I kind of feel bad for her. She would have survived, but in the end, she did tell us what to do. Alright, no one has fallen from this part. Alright, I'm just gonna wash my face. Alright, we washed our face. I need to go to my G7. G7. Power is back up. Oh no, I forgot. I have to be quick on this one because you have to get the mask before somebody takes your mask. Now remember, I really do not want to know what happened. Let him get the... Alright, bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Will drop from over your seats. Where... Oh! I got mine. No, Ashley, no. He died. You survived. Did you survive? Shush. Just survived. One of us will die. This mask will keep you safe. I'll show you the scissors. I'll show ya the skizzors. Whoa, what was that? Okay. Oh my god. What is this thing? Oh no. I cannot do it. I cannot do this. I can't do this. They're not over here. Follow me over here. Okay, everyone. Calm down. I can't get the scissors. I cannot cut the scissors. Scissors are right here. Get them. I found a pair of scissors. Stay back from him. Don't cut anything. Okay, what are you gonna cut? Red or blue? Which one? Which one should I cut? Blue. It's blue. Oh no. What? Dang. How did my boy survive that? I thought Red was gonna go like beep, and he died. Alright, let's go take a look. Oh no. Oh no, Yep, Captain. It's locked. Oh. What was that? What was that? What was that? Something is happening inside. Oh god, we might be in trouble. Doors needs a code. Okay, he gave us the code. Get him. Open the door. It's the creature. Ah! You will pay for what you've done. Oh my god. You think you are here on accident, but you're not. I brought you here. All of you. That is not possible. It is. And now, it's time to die. What? Oh my god, the plane is shaking. So yeah, okay, so see you in the afterlife. Whoa, gosh, guys, that was so scary. Alright, which one should we press? Press all buttons. The captain is unconscious. I guess I'm gonna have to do this. I'll do it. The plane is falling. What are we going to do? I wonder if I could do it. I'd actually drive the plane, but no. We need to find the autopilot. Click a button, click a button, click a button, click a button. Click all buttons, smash them, smash them. Smash those, smash those. Click every button and find that button. I found the button. What? I found the button. Danger. We did it. Alright, I'm going to go the other way. Because there is a phone over there. It's been a crazy night. I just want to be home already. Oh, he's going to the phone. Wait, he's going to the phone. I'm gonna go to the phone. Your boy's gonna go to the phone. Now all we need to do is find the emergency phone, which is right here. And as you can see, both me and Doggy from Piggy found it. Hello. We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Wow, they are actually kind of unconscious. They're actually knocked out. Okay, we are okay. Autopilot mode is on. Okay, we've traced your location, and we are taking control. There is one last task. One of you will need to keep the plane on track. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat. Okay, we're going to the co-pilot seat, guys. I don't care if you drive the plane. Just don't give us the bad ending, please. Here, I'm gonna let you get the. Okay, I'll let you become the autopilot. Alright. Okay, everyone. I got this. Whoa, what was that? What was that? What was that? What was that? No, you ain't. You ain't not. No. Attacks the beast. Sorry, I can't spell. Attacks the beast. I'm trying to take him out. Last chance. Surround your shush man guy. need to survive. I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. You humans are so weak. This is not the last time you see me. And just like that, he's gone. It's gone. Wait, he said it was not the last time we see him. What does he mean? Who cares? Let's get back home now. Let's get back home. We did it. We survived. Hooray. That's the good ending. I will do the bad ending, probably, sort of. Alright, guys. Well, that's been the good ending of Airplane Story. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications down below, so that way you will not miss a video that I post. Also, if you want to keep prepared on every single video I've uploaded, there is a playlist I have uploaded. I will upload all the videos and add them there, and yeah, it's gonna be good. Also, if you're in the Jai Gaming Studio group, I highly recommend buying the Pi game, because I think Jai Gaming Studio makes the best merch ever. So I'll probably have a link in the description down below to his group. But also, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.